Hey everybody, in this video, we are going to talk about the flame test, which is a qualitative or descriptive and not involving numbers. So this is a qualitative test to determine what cations are present in a salt. So this test is done to see what cations are present in a salt, as I just said. Each cation has a special color. When you dissolve a salt into water or alcohol, and you put the solution on a wire, and you put the wire in a flame, the flame can change colors. So what I mean by special colors, I mean that they can produce special colors as flames. So why does this happen? Well, the cations in the solution have electrons, of course, and the heat excites these electrons, and when these electrons fall down energy levels, light is released. And if you need a review on these concepts, go check out my unit on electrons. And remember in video 7.6 where I said transition metal cations are colorful in solution? Well, guess what? They can also be colorful when you light them up with fire. So we are going to focus on the fire aspect. Now in this image, this person put a solution of copper 2+, and we don't care about the anion here, and they put it on a wire and they put it in a flame, and the flame turned greenish. So very cool. And let's now go over all the colors of many cations. So we are going to start off with lithium plus. Lithium plus will be red, and it looks like that. Na plus will be orange. When put in a flame, it will look like that. Now potassium plus will be lilac or pinkish, and it will kind of look like, no, not that one, sorry. It's actually this color. Now rubidium will have a red-violet color, and it will look like that. Now cesium plus will be blue or violet, and I don't have an image for that, sorry. Calcium 2+ will be orange-red, it will look like that. Strontium 2+ will be red, it will look like that. That's actually a pretty cool color, by the way. Barium 2+ will be green, and notice how this is not exactly green, but it has some kind of yellow in it, and this is mainly because the fire is contaminated with Na+ ions, and as you remember, Na+ produces strong orange flames, so a lot of salts are contaminated with sodium ions, and that's why they might appear yellow sometimes, and we'll talk about how to fix that soon. So copper 2, as we just saw, will be blue-green, so it looks like that. Lead 2+ will be gray-blue, and it will kind of look like that. That's kind of grayish, right? Now for radium 2+, it's going to be red, but I don't have any images. Iron 2+ and iron 3+ will be yellow, and I don't have images. Now boron 3+ will be green, and that's actually pretty cool, by the way. Now zinc 2+ will be a pale green, and as you can see, it's kind of faint. So let's now talk about how to fix the contamination of sodium ions. So often a sample is contaminated with sodium plus ions, which makes the fire yellow. To mask this yellow, a blue cobalt glass is used to filter out yellow light to see the other colors. So as you can see, this is blue cobalt glass used in a bottle, and in this case, it's actually used as like a plate whenever we use flame test. And maybe your flame might at first look really yellow because of these sodium ions. But once you put the cobalt glass over it, you can see that it turns red, and maybe it's red because maybe the salt is lithium plus. So I wanted to clarify one thing. Sodium plus is orange, but people usually see it as yellow as well. So that's why in the image you see that it's really yellow. So that's all for this video. It was pretty short, and that's great. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, everybody.